Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways.
GoChain is an inventive token with a strong specialized establishment and a noteworthy rundown of organizations, however presently can't seem to make a forward leap. Of late, the versatility of blockchains has been a hotly debated issue, and the victor could enjoy an upper hand over any remaining cryptographic forms of money. One of the latest participants into the fight is Gochain, which professes to be multiple times quicker than the Ethereum organization and a superior choice to shrewd agreements by utilizing proof of reputation as an agreement convention as opposed to proof of work or proof. As well as being multiple times quicker than Ethereum, it intends to be multiple times more decentralized and consume multiple times less power than Bitcoin. Many coins and tokens in comparable situations as Gochain have similar market capitalizations to their neighbors. Thus, their rankings can change emphatically inside a solitary day. To more deeply study Gochain, its set of experiences, tokenomics, and cost forecast, continue to peruse as this Gochain value expectation will reveal all that you really want to be familiar with the Go token. By and large, our essential spotlight will stay on the Gochain cost expectations from 2022 to 2030. What is Gochain? Gochain, Go, is an Ethereum-based blockchain that is versatile, quick, and secure. The cryptographic money takes into consideration high exchange volumes and fast confirmation. Gochain can perform x100 a larger number of exchanges each second than Ethereum. Gochain's change to a proof of reputation agreement model thinks about the standing of all organization members. It's to guarantee an organization is completely secure and liberated from any inside or outer issues. All members in the Gochain blockchain should have a standing, and endeavoring to swindle the framework in either monetary or marking terms will bring about extreme outcomes. Basically, Gochain has enhanced the proof of authority model by renaming it proof of reputation for most organization members. While the proof of authority, POA, can in any case be utilized, however just for hubs with a heavenly standing and enhance the organization. Moreover, the blockchain was intended to be Ethereum viable, and that implies that current Ethereum-based chains can undoubtedly change to Gochain. Gochain tends to the centralization, versatility, and energy utilization gives that plague blockchains that utilization proof of work as an agreement component. While proof of work is a decent blockchain calculation, it has filled its need by beginning the upset. Right now is an ideal opportunity to change to something quicker, more adaptable, decentralized, and energy productive. It likewise goes past Ethereum-savvy agreements to make something more steady and valuable. Tokenomics of the Gochain ecosystem. The GoChain token, signified by the ticker image Go, was conveyed in June 2018 following a fruitful eco that gathered 20,000 DTH, or $13.7 million. The Go token is an ERC20 token in light of Ethereum that can be utilized as gas to get to all Gochain stage administrations. There are plans to make 1 billion tokens altogether, with the ongoing circling supply of 498,943,652 Go. The leftover tokens will be scattered as marking rewards, with 5%, or 50 million Go tokens, dispersed during the primary year of the really net strategy. The conveyance rate will steadily diminish until every one of the 500 million Go tokens have been scattered. The Go symbolic deal occurred in May 2018, with the task arriving at its hard cap of 20,000 DTH, around $13.7 million. Every token was sold for 0.00005 ETH and has proactively valued multiple times in ETH terms, presently worth 0.000162057 ETH, showing the good faith encompassing the task, considering that these additions were made while most virtual monetary standards were either level or consistently diminishing. Gochain coin overview. The Gochain, Go, stage utilizes a proof of reputation agreement model, which thinks about the standing of all organization members. Gochain, which professes to be completely viable with existing Ethereum wallets, savvy contracts, and different instruments, plans to empower designers to send decentralized applications on a more energy-effective organization than Bitcoin or Ethereum. Gochain, Go, current price. Gochain is presently worth $0.008144 US. Go has moved -3.51% as of now with an exchanging volume of $145,423. Gochain is at present positioned 754 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $10,214,261 US. Gochain, Go, price prediction 2022. Gochain, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. Go. The Go cost figure for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $0.012215. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be slow, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0.011400 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is possible soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. Go is supposed to have a base worth of $0.009772. Gochain, Go, price prediction 2023. In 2023, Gochain Go cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Go will before long outperform $0.020358. Notwithstanding, we ought to stand by to check whether the Go's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Go will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.016286 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.017915. Gochain, Go, price prediction 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $0.028501 and Go may benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Go is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.026058 and a low of $0.024430 in 2024. Gochain, Go, price prediction 2025. Assuming Gochain effectively helps market opinion among digital currency lovers, the Go coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Go will be green in 2025. The Go is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $0.03